Hey guys, I'm James, Master Instructor of the Dean King Training Institute here in Southern California, and with me I've got Mr. Dustin and Mike, who are two students that have been here with us now for about 4.5, going on 5 weeks each, right?
Yes.
Now, both of you guys are graduating this Friday.
Yeah, that's correct.
You know, and you guys, Dustin, I know you came through just for painless jet repair. Mike, you came through, exercised your post 911 GI Bill. You came through and used our, went through our TR3 system, which was interior wheels, headlight restoration, windshield, I think, and PDR.
And PDR, yeah.
So, you know, after, going through all the different systems and so on, how do you guys feel? How was everything for you guys? How was class for you?
I think class was great. I loved it. I learned a lot in 5 weeks. Like the first 2 weeks I was here, I was really struggling really bad. I was starting to wonder if I could spend 5+ hours on a dent. That was the biggest thing when I first got here, and now that I'm here, 5 weeks in, you realize your skill level takes off and everything is better, and before you know it, you're able to get into that 80-90% without much difficult at all. It's just that last 10%, always is hard, and if you don't, like you said, do it right the first time, don't split the dent, and you don't have to chase after your highs and lows. That's the biggest thing.
What about for you, Mike? How's it been with all the different systems you went through?
It's been fun. It's been a great learning experience, getting to learn all the different things you can actually repair and do to a vehicle that you didn't think was really possible. Mm-hmm. And then on top of that, learning the PDR, it's really been fun. I really enjoy it.
Now I know for you guys both came from a background of you came in from construction, doing something totally new that you've never done before, right? And Mike, you work at you're a mechanic,
yeah,
right? A technician, so it's a different side of working on a vehicle for you, right? You're doing more of the cosmetic side of it now, which is totally different than what you're used to. How was it changing with never doing anything like this before?
For me, it was frustrating. I'm used to playing with raw motion. Like mechanics, you get mad at it, you can drop the tool, go outside, smoke a cigarette, come back, onion on it some more, get it broke. This is opposite. This is no finesse at all. It's like playing golf. No raw motion. You gotta learn the skill before you get to strength.
Exactly. What about for you?
It's good from I'll be able to put the wrenches down for a little bit and actually, like you said, focus more on making the car look better versus actually fixing it to run better. I'm really looking forward to that.
Now you came out here, like I said earlier, that, and you decided to exercise your post 911 GI Bill, which the Dean King has recently been approved to start accepting. Well, not recently, it's actually been a little while now that we started accepting post 911 GI Bill along with all the other chapters and vocational rehabilitation. But, for you in that process and going through that process, how was it? Was it fairly easy? Was it something that was like a long drawn out thing, or what was it?
It was fairly easy. The only thing I really had to do was call the VA and get the process started, and then Sharon here at the Dean King pretty much took it from there and ran with it. Mm-hmm. Got me right in and got it all taken care of, set up, and ran smoothly.
Good. And what about for you, Dustin? I know did you have an opportunity to look at other schools? Now you didn't use the post 911 GI Bill. You decided on your own to come out here. Did you have an opportunity to look at other schools? And if so, what made you choose the Dean King?
Well, I did look at other schools. What mainly chose it for me is you guys give the certification, the diplomacy that looks good in the insurance eyes and everybody's eyes, that you have a diploma on the wall, not just, I've got training. Well, that don't mean much. So that was the biggest thing for me, and that's why I was here. And it really took a lot for me to figure out that I wanted to do this, because I talked to Blake for 2 years almost before I decided to pull the gun.
Yeah, it took a little while to kind of convince you to pull the trigger there on that, huh?
Yep.
2 years. Well, that's good. Well, you guys are here, and is there something looking back now? 4.5 weeks into it, almost done. Today's February 2nd. You guys are graduating this Friday. Is there anything looking back now in the beginning of your class that you guys would do differently, or are you guys happy with everything the way that it went? Is there anything you guys would do differently?
I think honestly, the only thing I would do different is mainly emphasize more on the stretching, because you are in weird, awkward positions throughout the day. Mm-hmm. Other than that, as far as the training went, it was great hands-on training. Instructors are great, so for me, that'd be it, just the stretching. It make people maybe stretch more in the morning, you know.
Loosen up them.
How many people here, though, can actually bend over and touch their toes?
I may be fat, but I can do it, Dustin, all
They
right?
can't bend your knees, though.
Yeah, the stretching might be the difficult part. If they can't get past the stretching, then they can't push it in. That's it. We might be getting rid of a lot of guys right
You know,
away
a lot
first
of
thing in the
people
morning.
stuck on the floor look like a Life Alert commercial.
Yep. Well, we thank you guys for for coming out and choosing the Ding King, and we hope to keep in contact with you guys from here on out. And you guys always, we're here. We make ourselves available to you guys. We hope that we do hear from you guys, along your progress and your future plans with your business and so on. For those of you guys out there that if you guys do have any questions, or you are past students, or you're thinking about coming through, again, we make ourselves available. We're a training institute. We do this Monday through Friday. We're here all day long. We give out our cell phone numbers. We give out our the 800 number and the website and email addresses and all of that stuff, so that if you guys do have any questions, or you guys do want to come through or get some more information from us or something, reach out to us. Give us a call, 1-800-304-3464. You can look us up on the web at thedingking.com. You can head on over to Facebook at the Ding King Training Institute. Head on over to Instagram, official Ding King. If you guys have any questions pertaining to any of the voc rehab, Pulse 911 GI Bill, or any of the other chapters, reach out to Michelle at dingking.com or share at dingking.com, and they'll be able to help you guys and assist you in any way. And from these two guys here and all the rest of our students we have back there working on these vehicles, you guys keep checking out our videos, and we'll be seeing you guys soon.